HP app for PCs, how to check for audio issues. The HP app is your go-to for managing your HP device and accessories. To find support tools to troubleshoot audio issues on your device, scroll down to the Troubleshooting and Fixes tile. The Troubleshooting and Fixes support feature provides access to HP troubleshooting tools you can use to diagnose and fix system issues so that your PC performs at its peak. To run an audio check on the PC, click Check for Audio Issues. The HP Audio Check tool troubleshoots and optimizes audio problems on the PC. Click Next to run HP Audio Check Diagnostics. The tool identifies all the integrated audio devices on the PC, such as the speakers and microphones, as well as external connected audio devices. Then it will run diagnostic audio tests on all the audio devices. When complete, HP Audio Check provides connected audio device specifications and displays the results of all audio diagnostics tests and microphone diagnostic checks. You can click the Test Audio button to run additional tests, such as checking the speaker volume. This test starts the installation of the PC's audio driver and runs audible audio checks to see if the audio can be heard through the speakers. If the audio issues persist, you can click the Unable to Hear Audio button for further troubleshooting actions. Alternately, you can return to the HP app.